This week's adventure took me out and about visiting with nature. I came across a beaver out on this pond. It was kind of cool. And, nice little flowers. But this shot of this, I don't know what you call it, a valley with a mountain in the background, I needed to edit it just the way I wanted it to look. Let's take a look, see how I did it.
Hey, I'm excited about photography, and I hope you are too. So let's learn together.
Took this photo as a quick trip hit. I kind of like the blue skies. Of course, you can't see that here. These clouds turned out really dark. I kind of like the photo, but I don't like the road. I'd like it to be more of the... we'll see what it looks like when it's all done, right? Okay, first things first. This is how I edit a photo currently, and let's see what it looks like. Let's go to here. I like this photo, but what I don't like is the predominant road. Oh, there's that blue sky I like to see. Look at that. The clouds got really dark though. I have to change that. But that's a good start. This road is just too much. I'm going to get rid of that. Let's crop it out. And this tree's kind of just a little too dead. Let's get rid of that. I think we'll line this up on that tree. And let's bring this up so this here is across the... dividing the picture by that at least for now. Let's bring this down. I want the mountains to be the top third. That means I could bring this up some more. Bring it down some more. There's a sign there, but I like that tree. Okay, that's not too bad. That looks like the road's still going to be pretty predominant though. I wish I didn't have to have that road there. Alright, so if I go to here's a crop aspects, custom. Oh, that was pretty close. That was pretty close. Alright, so I adjusted it to 16 by 9, which is a 19 by 1080. That was pretty close to what I was looking at. So, alright. Done. So there it is, done. And we could see that there's a couple of people in the image and this sign I want to get rid of. In order to do that, we need to do it in Photoshop. But from Lightroom, we can right click on the image, go edit in Photoshop, and I guess we'll edit with the Lightroom adjustments. Opens up in Photoshop. Now we can zoom in. Excuse me. Doesn't have to be super accurate, but it certainly does help that it's a little closer, I think, than needs to be. Whoa. So now if we hit delete, content aware, boop. Get rid of that. Pretty good. And when we zoom out, you can't even tell. And then we got the sign over here, just because I think it's a distraction. Oh, actually I could probably do polygram because it's very straight, so we just go wink, draw it up to there, over there, very right angle-ish. Go a little extra. Can't believe how out of focus this was. This could be a problem because it's right on the edge of that that grass here where the divider is. Probably gonna have an issue here. Let's find out. Maybe, maybe not. Boy, that's pretty good. Okay, the rock. Get rid of that. Oh, I probably could have used a little bit more around it. Let's back out of that. Back out one more. Let's give it a little bit more room here. So let's do, yeah, let's give it, now let's delete it. That's a little better. Still got a little bit of, let's do some cloning here. Zoom in a little bit. I don't think we need that much. That's probably fine. Oops. Now this is going to be a little trickier. It's got waves in that rock. Let's see what that looks like. I mean, it's on the edge. Probably won't even notice it. Alright. So if we Control S this, it should take us back into Lightroom. Does it? Or it just saves it in Lightroom. Go back to Lightroom. Oh, there you go. Couldn't remember. But the sign's gone somewhere over here. So we know it's that rock. And the people are gone that were somewhere over here. They're gone. That's cool. Road isn't quite as predominant as it was before. Let's take a look at it with full screen. Yeah, that looks alright. So what we have in the photo in the background is a swan. Right, so we've got nice trees out here. Right. Oh, we got the so what we have out here in the white, that's a swan. Looks like their head's down. And there's another swan back there nesting in the pond. There's a little island out here in this pond. Kind of cool. Alright. Now that we got the basics done, I want to make that brighter blue. Basics here. Get some more blues out of that. Do that normally. Don't want to make it too blue. Did this not auto? Wait, did I not do this? Oh, is it because I saved it? Maybe because I saved it. Oh, that looks even better. Wow. That's like, okay, surprise. That looks pretty dramatic. I would like to see these a little redder. That would be kind of cool, but I don't know if I could do that. Instead of it being so dark, it would be nice to see these a little redder. So, I like that. Just the way it is. That's pretty cool. I don't like the road. But I don't think that's the distraction is the road. It's the still a bit of a distraction there. blue skies are nice. I like that. Boy, look how sharp and clear, crystal clear the stone wall is. That's awesome. I like it. So skip to the end, and I've adjusted some of the colors in the sky because I kind of like that purplish colored sky with the blue in the background, and give it a full screen shot. I like the sharpness of these stones, the mountains in the distance with the blue sky, purple clouds. I like it. Here's what it looks like from the original cropped to the modified. And is it real? It is real. It's a real image, just modified to my liking. To each his own. I'm going to put this on my desktop because I like it. I hope you like this video. So go ahead and click that like button or the thumbs down button. If you don't like it, it's fine. Leave a comment what I missed in some of the tips and tricks and what you like and didn't like about it. And go ahead and hit that subscribe so you can comment on next week's video, which should be really good.
Okay, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, smash that like button. I post a weekly video, so be sure not to miss next week's video by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Feel free to leave a comment below, and we'll see you next week.